Hey guys, Zob here for OneGlanceTrader.com and welcome back to my trading journal, the Drawdown Manager. So in this episode, episode 10, I want to give a quick account status update. And as you can see on my screen, it's not going too well. So, I want to be transparent with everyone in terms of this kind of trading journal I'm looking at. So for those who are new to this trading journal, um, I am running an automated EA that is a scalping system that doesn't run with the stop loss with the small 5 pip take profit target. And the EA does have its bugs, as people who have been following my journey knows that if my computer seems to restart itself or the terminal shuts down and restarts itself, it somehow closes down trades for some strange reasons, the trades that are open, which can lead to potential big losses. As you can see over here, some of these ones here, it's not me closing them out, it is it's something to do with the EA. And the same thing happened. My computer had to restart it due to some Windows updates and things like that. And when I restarted the terminal, it's restarted and closed down this £3.16. So it was one trade that it closed down for a negative £3.16, which is that little blip there. I don't know if you can see. So in terms of my balance, so my balance was going up, and then again something happened with my machine. I had to restart it and close down a lot of open trades in a loss, and then started to come back up here where we are today. So again, it does make money. I'm comfortable with what it's making at the top end. It's just the open orders here. So this has been my floating drawdown, and when I started back in, I think it was the 4th of December, I think, over here, it went up a little bit, went down, started to go back up to about just above where I was, and then just recently been plummeting down and now slightly back on the rise again. So yes, it's an interesting journey so far, and at some point I will hit a margin call. If it does, it's great. It's not great, but it is what it is. And like I said, I'm trading with money here that I don't mind losing. It's not like I'm living off this money. I need to be making an income, and trading with a small micro lot at 10p a point allows me to stay in the game for a lot longer. So at this point over here, I was trading about, I don't know, let's say 30 currency pairs, so 15 currency pairs, one on a 5-minute chart, one on a 15-minute chart. And then I switched it up and took out all the 5-minute charts and just traded the 15-minute chart. So that's why my growth, why it's taking me longer to get back here, then this line is shorter than that line because I'm trading less effectively from that perspective. So having a look at my open drawdown over here, I've had some ones here now for a long time, as people have seen in some of my previous videos back in July last year, that I'm still holding, that go against me, then come right back in my favor or near enough, and then again go completely against me, come back, then go against me. They just keep coming back, and it is rather frustrating. So equity now is 419, balance is 911. I started the account on about 860 from memory. So it's about £50 there, I can use to probably take out some of this stuff, which is causing me a problem. What is causing me a problem is the USD CAD and the USD Chef. It's open multiple trades here, but when you look at the charts, they're just all just tanking down. So I just wanted to give a quick video on the update on where we are on there. Also on this account, I am trading pin bars that go with the trend using my OGT price action indicator. I think so far I've done 3 of them. All 3 have been profitable, so which is good to see. So that's my concern is because I'm only trading it with the 4-hour chart. I'm not getting that many signals because, as you can imagine, well, I do get a lot of pin bar signals, but pin bar signals that trade with the trend, I don't get that many of them. So yeah, so a lot of them I do discount from that perspective. So I'm looking to add the daily chart in terms of pin bars on, and I don't want to add the hourly chart. The reason why is because I'm not always at my computer, so to actually make that. But I rather get the signals. Then if I am at my computer, I can check the signal, and if it's a good signal, I can trade it. So in my view, it's better to have it than not to have it. So that's something I'll be looking at over the next week or so, is adding in the hourly and the daily on there. So I'm really encouraged by pin bars. If there's one thing I've learned so far from this journey, is that you do need to have another system in place. The pin bar system is also in play as well. You can check out my previous videos for that, so you can see the other. So you can see my success with the pin bars using my OGT price action indicator. And yeah, so like I said, just want to keep you transparent. This is the situation, and wanted to give it a go and see if we can try to resolve this account. And like I said, if it does, margin call me, I'll reload and start again and try something different. Probably just pin bars only. Probably wouldn't do this EA stuff. And yeah, so really hope that you found that useful. You got any questions, comments about my journey so far, or any questions about the systems that I'm using, please let me know. Please reach out, and I'll speak to you all soon. Cheers.